everyone, I decided to make that tomato feta pasta dish. Yes, that recipe that has gone viral. I have my grape tomatoes and my block feta, so let's get started.
We start by putting the tomatoes into a large baking dish. I love garlic, so I put in 8 cloves, but you can adjust it to your liking. Then place 8 ounces of block feta in the center of the pan. Liberally drizzle olive oil over everything and season with salt and pepper.
I like pepper and some oregano.
Pop it in a 400-degree oven for 35 minutes. While the tomatoes and feta are baking, go ahead and boil your pasta.
The timer just went off, so we're gonna take it out of the oven.
Mash the tomatoes, garlic, and feta. The baked feta is creamy and acts like your sauce. Add your cooked pasta and combine. Now for some fresh basil.
Feta has such a strong flavor. I was worried about making this recipe because I thought the taste of the feta would overpower the pasta. But let's give it a try. It's pretty good. Not my favorite though, but I don't know, at least it's something different. It doesn't taste bad, just I don't personally love it. There you go. I'll still eat it though.
I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.